that you met at the hands of Serbians not too long ago, less than 25 years ago. You are here, this is the best country in the world. Congratulations to you for what you have done. It's amazing. And also I am amazed at the participation of ladies here. May Allah bless you. To me, that is what Islam is. Islam does not bind women behind the closed door. Islam encourages women as much as it does men to receive education. And so on and so forth. And you see, I believe we have a very nice and healthy beginning here. And I remember it was only a few years ago when 8 Bosnians arrived here first, as we can call them refugees or post-war or during the war, people who America had accepted, and they were here in Rochester. Walker was one of them. That's the time I